Yo, Killer Toad over here, showing you the Big Button Box Pro. Doing a review for this. It's loading. Okay, so these are just some of them. I'm gonna play 2 from each page. Okay, I'm going to turn it on. Okay, so down here is a selector switch. This is you have to push it and then it comes up. This right here, this one. And this is you can put. So I'm gonna go for this. You do. That's dynamite, and then this is gong. Next, kick. Then the alarm. Next page is 11 pages. Go with it. And move. Go next page. That's a grenade. Yeah, that's a vomit.
Oh yeah.
You can tell what that is, and then this is a witch.
Ooh la la.
And then
You're fired.
your fired button. Evil laugh. This will be bomb. Grenade launcher. And jet. Epic fail. Look.
Oh man.
I like this one.
Gimme. What?
Okay, Frog. They just upgraded this. I just got all these. And this is the new one. Wait. I just added that. Added that.